It is one of the freshest cryptos out there, yet what is APTOS? We should investigate and see what we can figure it out. And furthermore inspect a portion of the APTOS cost expectations that were being made starting around the 15th of December 2022. APTOS made sense of. But the sheer assortment of digital forms of money that are out there, it very well may be to some degree hard to remember that what connects the majority of them together, with the prominent special case of Wave, is the blockchain. The decentralized record which permits individuals have their exchanges and framework modifications recorded, however, doesn't have a solitary place of power, is essential to the universe of crypto and, likewise, decentralized finance. One could feel that, with so many blockchains out there, there would be little point in delivering another one. Nonetheless, with the universe of the blockchain being possibly confounding, esoteric, and loaded up with language, a few engineers might trust they can be the ones to make a blockchain that gets through limits and leads the standard reception of crypto. APTOS is one such blockchain. It plans to be adaptable, implying that it won't dial back when it gets more occupied than expected, consequently setting aside individuals' time and cash, also being secure and dependable. As the white paper says, the APTOS blockchain has been created throughout recent years by more than 350 or more designers across the globe. It offers new and novel advancements in agreement, savvy contract plan, framework security, execution, and decentralization. The mix of these innovations will give a major structure block to bring Web3 to the majority. The stage was established by President Mo Sheikh and CTO Avery Cheng, who were previous representatives of Facebook's proprietors, Meta. They were essential for the group liable for the endeavors to make the Diem blockchain and the Novi crypto wallet. While those plans never happened as expected, the abilities and innovation that were there are, they guarantee, being utilized for this new venture, which likewise works with non-fungible tokens. Each blockchain needs to have its own local token, and APTOS has two. The APTOS coin, additionally realized by its ticker handle of ADEPT, is intended to be marked to push the framework along, with remunerations paid out to stakers and individuals who work the framework. Without a doubt, the blockchain utilizes a proof-of-stake agreement instrument, and that implies that blocks must be added by individuals who as of now hold the coin. Individuals with well-suited are likewise ready to decide on propositions that affect the blockchain's future, making it, in some measure to a limited extent, a purported administration coin. The coin can likewise be purchased, sold, and exchanged on digital money trades. Something to note here is that APTOS is a generally new crypto project, with the mainnet sent off on the 12th of October and the coin at last stirring things up around town market in the early long periods of the 19th of October 2022. To the extent that tokenomics go, the crypto has an all-out supply of 1 billion. Of this 1 billion, 51% are accessible to the more extensive local area, with 19% going to center patron, 16.5% to the group behind the stage, and 13.48% going to financial backers. Starting around the 15th of December 2022, 130 million were available for use, with the rest of the tokens set to be given north of a 10-year time span. APTOS cost history. With that all made sense of, let us investigate the ADEPT cost history. While past execution ought not be taken as a mark of future outcomes, understanding what it has done since it was delivered can assist with giving us some possibly helpful setting with regards to either deciphering an APTOS cost forecast or probably making one of our own. APTOS originally went onto the open market in the little long stretches of the 19th of October 2022, while, as per information from CoinGecko, it was valued at $13.73, going from CoinMarketCap's figures. It before long fell pretty marvelously, down to a low of just shy of $6.69 a couple of hours after the fact, prior to making a recuperation as the day proceeded to remain at around $7.90 in the early eve, and slipping to exchange at around $7.10 at noon on the 21st of October. The poor early exhibition was not helped by reports of the framework's disunity being quieted, which Sheikh guaranteed was an action taken to forestall against tricks. Notwithstanding, after that it revitalized, arriving at a high of $10.25 on the 23rd of October. The coin then fell fairly to spin the following a long time circumnavigating around the $7 mark. However, the breakdown of the FTX trade harmed both the market and the well-suited crypto, which sank to an untouched low of $3.60 on the 9th of November. The news sometime thereafter that the APTOS blockchain was one of the blockchain associations engaged with the Web3 recuperation initiative program, established by Binance, saw a value ascend to close the month at $4.78. From that point forward, the cost has drifted around that point and it was worth about $4.75 on the 15th of December 2022. The coin's dissemination gives well-suited a market cap of around $615 m, making it the 61st biggest crypto by that estimation. A really noteworthy accomplishment for something which had just been transparently exchanged for under 2 months. APTOS cost forecast. But that everywhere and finished with. We should investigate a portion of the APTOS coin cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 15th of December 2022. Do note here that cost conjectures, particularly with regards to something as possibly unpredictable as cryptographic money, frequently end up being incorrectly. Additionally, some long-haul crypto value expectations are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change whenever. To start with, felt that things could go pretty well when it came to making its able cost expectation. The site said that it could exchange at $5.94 in 2023, preceding arriving at some place drawing near $11.06 in 2024, while it proceeded to make an APTOS cost expectation for 2025 of $17.89 prior to recommending the crypto could merit somewhat under $28.95 in 2026. Had an APTOS crypto cost forecast that said the token could reach $5.56 this year, $11.45 in 2023, $15.91 in 2024, and $21.46 in 2025. The site then, at that point, said well-suited could be possibly worth $24.39 in 2027 and $34.37 in 2028, preceding conceivably shutting the 10 years at $47.89. The site then proceeded to make an APTOS cost expectation for 2030 that saw it exchange at $67.27. Before it possibly hit $90.65 in 2031. In the meantime, had an APTOS coin cost forecast that said it could close 2022 at $4.15, coming to just shy of $6.89 every year from that point. Toward the finish of 2024, the site said the coin could merit a little beneath $9.83, while a year on the idea was that it could exchange for a portion of a penny under $11.57. That's what the site anticipated. By December 2026, it very well may be valued at $12.80. At last, was undeniably more bullish as far as its APTOS cost expectation for 2023, recommending that the coin could be in for an exceptionally provoking a year and sinking to exchange at a simple 35 cents by the center of December 1 year from now. While considering an able coin cost expectation, it's essential to remember that digital money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. In that capacity, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into cryptographic money coins or tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized in principal investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any speculation choice. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns, and never exchange with cash that you can't stand to lose. It is hard to tell. A ton will rely upon the future way of behaving of the in general crypto market as well. Nobody can truly tell at this moment, albeit any semblance of our hopeful locales, for example, are undeniably more downbeat and careful.